Gomati Focus Academy. Welcome to Phonics World. Now let's discuss about different sounds of Y. See, when the word ending with Y, the sound for Y is E. If the Y is in the middle of the word, the sound for Y is I. If the word starts with Y, the sound for Y is Ya. So these are the different sounds of Y. Let's blend the words now. K, ka and cat, d, can, e, candy. Style, style. Ya, il. These are the different sounds of Y. Subscribe my channel for regular updates. Contact me at any time. Every child is unique. Thank you.